Assalamu alaikum friends, what's going on? Hope so that you all are fine. So welcome to my new video. Today I am turning this old cube into a speed cube. Friends, this cube was good before, but now it get too old and it do not work properly like before. Just see, you can see it's stucking everywhere. So instead of buying a new one, I decided to turn this cube into a speed cube because today nowadays situation everywhere is locked down and buying a new cube is not possible. So let's start. If you like the video, subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. So now first of all, take any of the small bottle like this one and make a hole at the top of this. And now I'm making this region only the half of this bottle, and I'm filling this portion with this oil and the other half portion with this mouthwash and shampoo mixed. So now let's mix them. So now you will see that this cube will work properly. And it's no more stucking, and today's video is ending here, and see you soon inshallah. Allah Hafiz.